Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Ray and I'm out here at Friedrich Park again. It's about 33 degrees out, so there aren't too many people on the trails. And in fact, the natural surface trails are all closed to prevent erosion in these wet conditions. Probably prevents a good number of unexpected accidents from happening too, because the trails can be quite slippery when they're damp. So I won't be able to follow up specifically on whether the cedar waxwings were in full force up at the upper elevations. I can tell you that based on what I'm seeing down low, everything is staying put. So either there's not enough food to continue to eat, or the birds that I saw just 2 days ago have carried on to a new location. Whatever the case, I was fortunate to see them the other day, and I'm thankful to be able to get out here and have a peaceful walk with pretty much no other native Texan wanting to get out when it's this cold. I prefer to enjoy these cooler temperatures, and see someone else is crazy enough to be out here just like me while it's cold, and it's really nice. If you've never been out to Friedrich Park, and if you've never experienced a mild shock to the system that our bodies are designed to encounter and to withstand and to acclimate to, you might want to consider it. It's good. It's good for your health. I'm not a licensed doctor or therapist of any sort, so please speak with your own doctor before it comes to addressing your health, if you want to defer that insight primarily to your doctor. Flip side to that same coin, if you want to take care of your own health, these trails include a variety of surfaces: pavement, beautifully maintained trails with surfaces that are soft, you know, more cushiony than walking the neighborhood sidewalks. There's more nature here. You can see all the trees. Listen. There was a breeze that was just starting to go through the trees. And earlier I saw a hawk of some sort. Might have been a little falcon. Took off too quick for me to see, to identify, I mean. But all around there are just things that I'm marveling at. And you can see it. I'd be doing it even more so if I weren't trying to carry forward a bit of a conversation for you. So got at least another person on the trails today. How are you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Pretty great. Have a great one. And so you see, this is fun. It's a great activity. It's a nice workout, and you get to say hi to other fellow enthusiasts of things like nature and taking care of ourselves and all that. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace.